Hari Om. Namaste to all the children. Welcome to the new session. We have divided seniors and juniors. So now seniors only will be joining, all the senior students. Okay. So now Vaishnavi will start with the usual prayers and then she will continue. Come on, Vaishnavi, you can start.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Now, today, Vaishnavi will explain about the 11th sloka of second chapter of Bhagavad Gita, which is written by Shankara, Adi Shankara. Shankara Bhashyam starts from 11th sloka. So, Vaishnavi will read it out and explain. You can start, Vaishnavi.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shankara Bhashyam. Adi Shankara has written Bhashyam to Brahma Sutra, Upanishad and Bhagavad Gita, which is collectively called Prasthanatrayam. Gita Bhashyam deserves very important role to make the common man understand the complete meaning of Gita. Acharya said in his introduction of Gita Bhashyam that the main purpose of writing this Gita Bhashyam is to make the common man understand the exact meaning and to remove the wrong thinking. Acharya's Bhashyam starts from the 11th verse of the second chapter. Shri Bhagavanu Vacham Ashocyananvashocastvam Prajnavadamshta Bhashase Gatasu Nagatasunshta Nanushocanti Panditaha Ashocha Nityadi Nashocha Ashocha Bhishma Dronadayah Satvrittatvat Paramartha cha Nityatvat Tan Ashocyan Anvashochah Anushocitavanasi Timriyante Mannimittam Aham Tairvina Bhutah Kim Karishyami Rajya Sukhadina iti Tvam Prajnavadamshcha Prajnavatam Buddhimatam Vadamshcha Vachanani cha Bhashase Tade Tanmauryam Pandityam cha Viruddhamatmani Darshayasya Unmatta Iva iti Abhiprayah Yasmat Gatasun Gatapranan Mritan Agatasun Agatapranan Jivataha Chana Anushochanti Panditaha Atmagnyaha Panda Atmavishaya Buddhiryesham Tehi Panditaha Pandityam Nirvidhya iti Shruti Paramarthatah tu Nityan Ashocyan Anushocasi Ato Mudhaha Asi iti Abhiprayah. Meaning, Sri Bhagavan said, Hey Arjuna, you grieve for those who are not to be grieved for, yet you speak the words of wisdom. The wise do not grieve for those who are gone and who are not yet gone. You need not grieve for Bhishma, Drona, etc. because they are sajjanas and there is no death for them. You think that the cause of their death is yourself and so you don't want to have this rajyam and sukham. You appear to speak intelligently, yet you are showing ignorance because wise people are atmajnanis. They don't grieve about the people who are dead or alive. They know that Atma has no death. Actually, you are grieving about those who don't die at all because their Atma is eternal. That means you are ignorant. That is my opinion. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. It was excellent. Very nice to hear from you, the Shankara Bhashyam. Now we will go for Gita chanting. We are going to start Bhagavad Gita chanting from the first chapter onwards. So Today, Virat, Hasini, and Sai Nishan will be repeating after me. So first, Virat, are you ready?
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
So we are going to learn chanting of Bhagavad Gita, first chapter. See, this Bhagavad Gita is, the first chapter is in Anushtup meter. 8 syllables per quarter and 32 in total. Okay. Virat, you can repeat.
Yes, ma'am.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha.
Atha Prathamodhyayah.
Atha Ramadodhyayah.
Prathama means first. Prathamodhyayah.
Pratamodhyayah.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Dhritarashtra Uvacha.
Now, when I will tell syllable by syllabus, you can repeat. Okay. Dharma Kshetre.
Dharma Kshetre.
Kurukshetre.
Kurukshetre.
Samaveta.
Samaveda.
Yuyutsavaha.
Yuyutsavaha.
Mamaka.
Mamaka.
Pandavaschaiva.
Pandavaschaiva.
Kimakurvata.
Kimakurtava.
Kimakurvata.
Kimakurvata.
Sanjaya.
Sanjaya.
First line full. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre.
Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Mamaka Pandavaschaiva.
Mamaka Pandavaschaiva.
Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
First line fully. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre. Samaveta Yuyutsavaha.
Mamaka Pandavaschaiva. Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Mamaka Pandavaschaiva. Kimarvata Sanjaya.
Pandavaschaiva. Kimakurvata Sanjaya. There is no Sanjaya. Only Sanjaya. Okay. Once
Okay.
more I will repeat. Mamaka Pandavaschaiva. Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Mamaka Pandavaschaiva. Kimarkurvata Sanjaya.
It is Pandava. Dirgha. Pandavaschaiva.
Pandavaschaiva.
Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Now the whole sloka I will chant, you have to repeat. Listen carefully. Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yutsavaha Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Okay, now we are going to the second sloka. Sanjaya Uvacha.
Sanjaya Uvacha.
Drishtva tu
Drishtva tu
Pandavanikam
Pandavanikam
Vyudham
Vyudam
Duryodhanastada
Duryodhanastada
Acharya Mupa
Acharya Mupa
Sangamya
Sangamya
Raja
Raja
Vachanam Abravit.
वचनम् अब्रवीत्
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 दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं
व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य
आचार्यम् उपसङ्गम्य
राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत्.
Now first line, दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य
आचार्यम् उपसङ्गम्य
राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
राजा वचनम् अब्रवीत्.
Once more, दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा
आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य
आचार्यम् उपसङ्गम्य
राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
Now whole sloka. दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
Once more, दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यमुपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसङ्गम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
इति संगम्य मा संगम्य आचार्यमुपसंगम्य.
ओके
रिपीट
Okay, ma'am.
आचार्यमुपसंगम्य
आचार्यम् उपसङ्गम्य
राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
राजा वचनमब्रवीत्.
Okay, we'll go to third sloka. पश्यैतां
पश्यतां
पाण्डुपुत्राणां
पाण्डुपुत्राणाम्
आचार्य
आचार्य
महतीं
महतीं
चमूं
चमूं
व्यूढां
व्यूढां
द्रुपदपुत्रेण
द्रुपदपुत्रेण
तव शिष्येण
तव शिष्येण
धीमता.
धीमता.
पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणां
पश्यतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम्
आचार्य महतीं चमूं
आचार्य महतीं चमूं
व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण
व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण
तव शिष्येण धीमता.
तव शिष्येण धीमता.
The first line, पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं चमूं
पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यां महती चमूं
महतीं
महतीं चमूं
चमूं. पश्यैतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं चमूं
पश्येतां पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्य महतीं चमूं
व्यूढां द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमता.
व्यूढां द्रौपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येण धीमतः.
No ha, only धीमता.
ओके
And
Dhimata.
Drupada, not Draupada, it is Drupada, Drupada Putrena. Okay. Vyudham Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Vyudam Drupada-putrena tava sishyena dhimata.
Now the full sloka. Pasyaidam Pandu Putranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudam Drupada-putrena tava sishyena dhimata.
Once more. Pasyaidam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupada Putrena Tava Shishyena Dhimata.
Pashyetam Panduputranam Acharya Mahatim Chamum Vyudham Drupada-putrena tava sishyena dhimata.
Very good, very good. Now you have to practice when I am teaching the other children also. Again, you have to chant in your muted space and you have to send the audio today itself. Okay, Virat?
Okay, ma'am.
Is that
Om
clear?
Lakshmi.
Yeah.
Om Lakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I make a
Yes, Amma.
suggestion? Very good,
Tell me,
Virat.
Amma.
See, Lakshmi Mami is thoroughly teaching and Virat is followed very well. Now, for the other two volunteers, we can go a bit faster, no? Not like how you
Yes.
did for Virat. But the question is, I think time is out, no?
Time is again up.
Okay.
Time
Yeah.
is over, Amma.
So we will stop today
Mm.
and
Okay.
with this section because very thoroughly is done and I could see Vaishnavi, Chinmayi, Desika, everybody was repeating as Lakshmi Mami was teaching Virat. This is how all of you should do. Even Hania, I was noticing, she was also repeating. And those who had the cameras off, I don't know whether they repeated or not. So please keep it on, all your cameras. Now we'll proceed to the next section.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, next, Soumya will be presenting those.
Yeah.
Why do we do section?
So, hello Hari Om children. So there are so many religious practices, rituals that we follow day in and day out. You all do it. And sometimes we all wonder, why do we do such things? Why do we do this? Why do we do that? At this age, maybe we do it because your parents say so. Maybe your grandparents ask you to do so. Even at this age, right? Even if you do these rituals and practices just because your parents or grandparents are telling so, it's going to be beneficial. It is still good that you can go ahead and follow. But when you understand the meaning and the significance of all these things, it has an improved effect in your prayers, right? It has the intensity of the impact of your prayers are further enhanced, and you will start enjoying to do these rituals. As part of this previously, if you remember, we have addressed many such questions as why do we light a lamp in our puja mandir, why do we say namaste, right? And many more such questions were addressed. So another day we will do a recap of all of these things. I hope you remember all those things. Why do we ring a bell? So we have addressed many of those why do we do things. So I hope you all remember. We will do a detailed recap and quiz session on this. Today we will pick two other topics of why do we do. We'll start with why do we do arati, right? Arati is something where all have you noticed quickly, can you come up with instances where all you have noticed that we do an arati?
Temple.
Can I say Sainisha?
Yes, temple. Virat Gude Sai.
Amma, we give warmth to the place. It
Sorry,
gives
again.
warmth. Mama gives warmth to the place to
You are giving me the reasons. Yeah, okay, significance. Yes, V Vaishnavi. Where all do you see?
Aarti in the Ganga river also.
Yes, Ganga River Aarti we have seen, right? With Ganga Aarti is very famous, very good. We see it in the temples, in our puja rooms. After puja, we do it. You all have learned the 5-step puja. So that is one of the steps, right? The doing Aarati. We do it during occasions where, festivals. We end most of our worships, we end it with an Aarati. We decorate and then do Abhisheka and all that is done in the temple also. And then it always ends with the Aarati. And how it is done? How is Aarati done? So a lamp is lighted, it is held on your right hand, and it is waved so in a clockwise direction, showing the form, revealing to us the form of the God, in front of us. And what it is always accompanied with what? What is it accompanied with when they wave the flame of
The bell and the song.
yes, ringing the bell, right? And also song, or else we're very loud and very, very perfectly chanted, or chanting of mantras and shlokas. And all of this, right, intensifies, and the vibrations that it produces, intensifies the our prayer and the experience that we have. It gives us a joy when you see the God itself. When the priest in the temple, shows the flame and shows the form of the Lord, it helps you focus and look at different parts of, enjoy the beauty of the form of God in front of you, right? The light, the God itself is the light, source of light. God exists, and God itself is the light. Okay, but so he doesn't need the light. It is for us to see the divine beauty of the form of God in front of us. So that's why they show the flame. So and there's another thing, the what is the material that is used to light the lamp? Camphor. Yeah, so this camphor basically signifies, so the camphor burns, it burns out, and the flame is there, right? So the burning out of the camphor will signify what? The ego within us, the bad tendencies. So when you burn out such bad tendencies and ego, and that's when you attain the flame of knowledge. Again, we all know, why do we light a lamp? We learned that light symbolizes knowledge, right? And we come to understand that knowledge is supreme. So when you give away your negative attributes, negative tendencies and ego, the only thing that you shine with is knowledge. Yes, Vaish, Chinmay and Desika, you want to say something?
It is the removal of darkness, and we are like welcoming the God with the light.
Very nice. Correct. The removal of the darkness meaning the ignorance, and the arrival of light, that means knowledge. Okay. And the very performance of Aarti is like an open eye meditation, where, as you said, there is a ringing of bell, there is chanting of mantras, and it helps you focus on the form of God in front of you. So it is like a open eye meditations. So our prayers will have much more impact on that. And in the end, what do? We touch the flame, and then touch it to our eyes and head. So what does again that signify? That the flame of knowledge, the divine flame, that showed the form of God, let that light us, like enlighten us, that let that knowledge come to us, as a symbol of that we do that. So every activity, right, it is so beautifully incorporated into our daily lives. It's a reminder of how the God, the knowledge is supreme and is the most supreme wealth. Okay, so that is one short explanation of why do we do arati, right? Another important aspects in our pujas, right? Coconut is an auspicious thing which is always part of our pujas again, right? It is also placed in the colors. We offer it to the God, right? We break the coconut. Now why do we break the coconut? Why not offer it like that? So have you ever wondered? Yes, Hania. Yes.
We used to break the coconut and eat because it's like breaking our bad evil.
Breaking the
Bad evil.
yeah, so okay, so again you can see the coconut shell is hard, right? So that again you equate it to your ego, and all the things that you can ego, and the feeling of it's me, I am doing everything. So when you break the coconut, that is that feeling that you are breaking and surrendering in front of God. You break the coconut, the water inside, maybe all the other negative attributes and tendencies that we might carry, which it flows out, and there's a white pure kernels which you place before the God during the puja. It's like offering, you're saying that the purest form of, the one without ego, and the purest form of yourself you're offering before the God, surrendering before God. So that is again symbolic of these things symbolize and remind us everything that we do in a puja symbolizes that we have to come out of the negative attributes and negative tendencies that we might be carrying, and then surrender to God with full devotion. Okay, so these are the two things. Any other, you can also come up with questions like, you might, when you do such things, when your parents and grandparents ask you to do such things, you might also come up with such questions. We have addressed many of the questions before. Why do we apply tilak? All these questions we have addressed. But if at all you have such questions, please come forward to us. It will be very interesting for us to discuss, understand, learn together, and answer and clarify your questions as well. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Hania.
But why do we keep flowers on box?
Okay, I'll try to answer. Amma, if I'm wrong, you may please want to help me also. So for flowers, again, in the puja room, it's a fragrance, right? It is the fragrance, the beautiful fragrance when it is there in the puja room. It is setting the vibration, and then for prayer. Okay, and again, it's a decoration, it's an ornament that we are offering to our God. And flower, it's basically an offering that we make to God. Amma, if I have missed out something or if any addition that you can do to this question. Okay, you are in mute, Amma.
Yeah. Very good, Soumya, but I didn't get the question in the first place.
Flowers, Amma. She is asking, why do we offer flowers or in the
Yeah.
puja?
So Soumya said, very beautifully answered, to create that ambience, and the flower stands for the earth tattvam, no? But also, every flower that you offer, it is symbolic of your actions. So whatever I speak, whatever I do, and whatever I think, that's a flower at your lotus feet. So that also we can add. Vedant had a question also. Vedant?
Yes, ma'am. But I know that we use Karpur in Aarti, but why only Karpur?
Soumya can take that.
Karpur, okay, again, I'll just try this, okay? I mean, we want to do some research also when the questions come. But camphor, again, it burns out fast. Even if you keep it, outside, it evaporates. It has a tendency of evaporating, and it burns out fast. And it also, it gives, again, a good fragrance when, it doesn't, dirty the environment. It doesn't give a bad smell. It emits a very fragrant smell. That's why camphor. Again, camphor burns out small, fast, and that again, camphor, as I said, stands for all the negative tendencies which you want to burn out. And
and again, the camphor, no, Vedant, when we burn camphor, there is no residue, right? There is no ash, nothing left. So that is the complete surrender to Bhagavan. That also shows. And what Soumya said is correct. When we burn camphor and arati, it clears our homes of the subtle impurities. What are the subtle impurities? Maybe, some asuras are around in their subtle form. So we may feel negative or very sad or very puzzled at times in our own home. So to clear that subtle plane, also we should do arati every day. And not only the puja room, sometimes you can go around, and do it in every room, so that there is a cleansing.
Virat and Chinmay Desik also have questions.
Do we have time, Soumya?
Yeah, or else we can also, can you
Yes,
please post your
there are
questions from the window so that we can definitely address this question in the next class. Hasini, Virat, Vaishnavi, so happy that you're coming up with the questions. That's what we want. Please post your questions on the chat window. I will note it down and we'll definitely address first thing in the next class. Okay?
I think there is still 3 minutes left. Anyone knows any Aarti song
I
can
just
sing?
want to add one thing.
Yes.
Camphor doesn't go into liquid state. From solid state directly goes into gaseous state. So it's a very special substance, and that process is called sublimation.
Very good. Science
Wow.
teacher is answering scientific.
So I needed to share this because
Yeah, good.
something
Ma'am,
important.
even the thing ma'am, even the thing is also used in naphthalene balls. It's also
Yes.
the same thing.
They're all same, amorphous.
They all sublimate and then repulse away many moths or some or
Yes.
not insects.
Yes, correct.
Any
Very
one of
good.
you know how to sing any Aarti songs? You know, there are different Aarti songs for different deities. Any one short song anybody can sing? No? You don't sing? Okay, next week you come prepared.
There is this shloka, I think I've not prepared the shloka myself, so I just want to be a little careful while chanting it, but I would like to give the essence of it. There is this shloka when they chant, when doing this arti, because this is basically the light is lighting up the form of God in the temple, right? But then it is say that the stars, the moons, the sun, all of these get the light from God, and God is with and without light. So the light that we show, it is not for the God or to light him up. It is for us to get lighted and lighted visibility. I think this is the essence of the shloka, but we will take that shloka.
It's the essence of Vedanta, Soumya. But very good, yes.
Okay.
We can move on to the next session.
Yes. Now Uma can take over.
Harihi Om children. Sarve Nutana Samskrita Vargaya Swagatam Abhinandanani. Ekam Geetam Pashyamah va children. Aham Geetam Gayami. V Vaishnavi Agachatu.
Yes.
Geetam Gayatu. Please show the screen. So. Shakti Samritam Yukti Samritam.
Shakti Samritam Yukti Samritam.
Shakti Yukti Samritam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Shakti Yukti Samritam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Next, Hanya, Agachatu. Shastradharakam, Shastradharakam.
Shastradharakam, Shastradharakam.
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 Shastra.
Shastra.
Dharakam.
Dharakam.
Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Next one, Hasini. Agachatu ma.
Hari Om Amma.
Hari Om. Riti Samskritam.
Riti Samskritam.
Niti Samskritam.
Niti Samskritam.
Riti Niti Samskritam.
Riti Niti Samskritam.
Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Next, Lasya, Agachatu. Lasya is there? Lasya? Nityashree? Are you there, ma?
Yes, sir.
Agachatu. Karmanaishtikam.
Karmanaishtikam.
Dharmanaishtikam.
Dharmanaishtikam.
Karma Dharmanaishtikam.
Karma Dharmanaishtikam.
Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Bharatam Bharatam Bhavatu Bharatam.
Next one, Nitika.
Yes, Amma.
Agachatu. Bhakti Sadakam.
Bhakti Sadakam.
Mukti Sadakam.
Mukti Sadakam.
Bhakti Mukti Sadakam.
Bhakti Mukti Sadakam.
भवतु भारतं
भवतु भारतं
भारतं भारतं भवतु भारतं
भारतं भारतं भवतु भारतम्
धन्यवादः नेक्स्ट लेसन 1 रुचिः अनेकः रुचिः विषये वयं पश्यामः वा रुचिः टेस्ट रुचि मीन्स टेस्ट the next slide Soumya yes ruchih next who is available Ananya agachatu Ananya are you there
Yes, I'm there.
agat ruchih
रुचिः
taste
taste
madhura ruchih
मधुर रुचिः
this is honey this has sweet taste so madhu is that is sweet taste next one madhu next lavana ruchihi this is salt this taste is salty okay that is lavana ruchihi next one kushi agachatu kushi
Yes, Amma.
are you there agachatu amla ruchihi
Amla ruchihi.
Jambiram amla ruchihi what sour taste very good this is lemon has sour taste okay next titta ruchihi this is bitter gourd this has bitter taste okay karavellam that is the taste is bitter taste so karavellam next one karavellam chinmayi agachatu
Amma.
katu ruchihi
Katu ruchihi.
katu ruchihi what is that katu ruchihi marichika this is green chili this is this taste is very spicy okay marichika means that is katu ruchihi it has okay this spicy taste next kashaya ruchihi astringent taste I will tell it is difficult one astringent taste that is amlapalam amalakam this is what Indian gooseberry you know gooseberry Indian gooseberry
Yes, ma'am.
yes nellikai in Tamil nellikai okay that is amalakam okay next dhanyawadaha ma next one screen संभाषणं किञ्चित् वयं पश्यामः वैष्णवी जी वैष्णवी आगच्छतु she is available or not no okay Hansit is also absent okay Virat आगच्छतु भवतः नाम किं मम नाम उमा भवतः नाम किं
मम नाम विराटः
very good उत्तम छात्र next विश्रुता आगच्छतु विश्रुता yes आगच्छ भवत्याः नाम किं मम नाम उमा भवत्याः नाम किं भवत्याः नाम किं I am asking भवत्याः नाम किं what's your name
मम नाम विश्रुता
मम नाम विश्रुता उत्तमं next who is that Vedant आगच्छतु come on भवतः नाम किं
मम नाम वेदान्तः
उत्तमं Next, Vaishnavi. V Vaishnavi agachatu. Bhavatyaha nama kim?
Mama nama Vaishnavi.
Very good, very good. Uttamam, uttamam. Next, Etat mama mitram. Etat mama mitram. If the student is near to you, or if your friend is near to you, Etat mama mitram. What is that? This is my friend. This is my friend. Next one, Bhavan kim karoti? Bhavan kim karoti? What do you do? What do you do? Aham likami. Aham patami. I am studying. I am reading. I am writing. That is the answer. So, what do you do? Aham patami. Aham likami. Aham dhavami. Aham nrityami. Okay? I am doing dancing. Some other things. Next, Aham adhyapakah asmi. I am a teacher. Aham adhyapakah asmi. I am a teacher. Next, Yesha mama saki. Yesha mama saki. This is my friend. If she is female, Yesha mama saki. Okay? If he is male, Etat mama mitram. He is my friend. This is my friend. Okay? If she is female, Yesha mama saki. This is my friend. Next one, Bhavati kim karoti. If she is female, we can ask, what do you do? Bhavati kim karoti. If he is male, what is the answer? Bhavan kim karoti. If he is male, is Bhavan kim karoti. Next one, if she is female, Bhavati kim karoti. What do you do? That is the answer. Okay. Next, Aham Vidyarthini asmi. Aham, I am a student. Aham Chatra asmi. Aham Chatra asmi. Chatra means what? Female. Female student is Chatra asmi. If the male student, Aham Chatraha asmi. Aham Chatraha asmi. Dhanyavadaha. The class is over. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay, thank you, Uma.
Thank you.
Hema, are you able to join?
Hari Om Amma.
Now we are going to start the junior session. Amma, do we have to do the prayer again?
No.
Hari Om Amma.
Hema has sent a message. She has logged out.
Hari Om Amma.
Hari Om, Hari Om.
I'll come back, Sudha ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, children, now we'll start with the story. Senior children also, those who want to attend the story session, please continue. Now the junior session has started. Now we have some new children. Is Srihan here? Has he come? Srihan, Ishan. Ishan is there?
I can't see Ishan.
How about Naresh?
Naresh, who is this? You don't know? Naresh, can you introduce yourself?
Hari Om Amma.
Srihan father, madam. Naresh.
Oh, okay, okay. What is the boy's? What is the child's name?
He's my friend.
Acha, Srihan. Okay, okay. Welcome, Srihan. You are Srihan. Sai introduced you, no? Okay, good. Welcome to Samskriti group. What about Ishan?
Yeah, he's there. Ishan is there.
Ishan. Okay, welcome, Ishan. Welcome to the
Ma'am, are you fine?
Huh?
You fine, ma'am?
Yes, we saw you.
Yeah, yes. Please, all of you keep your video on. Now we are going to have story time.
Ma'am, which story?
Yes.
Story time.
Story,
Ishan.
story. You all like stories, no?
Yeah, that story. Yeah.
Yes. So, young children, boys and girls, we are going to have a story. And for the seniors, if you're staying back, you have heard this story before. I think 2.5 years back, I had told a story on a small act of kindness. And you all liked it that time. So if you like, you can stay back and listen to it. I need sharing request, Amma. Share. Yes. So, today we are going to talk about a story which is called A Glass of Milk. Okay. let us see what this glass of milk, what is this story on a small glass of milk? So once upon a time, there was a brother and sister, Soumya and Shomu. They went to watch a movie. And they went, the Soumya was the elder sister, so she took him. Somu was a small boy, a young brother. She took him along with her to watch the movie. So they went, they had the tickets, they were right on time, they had 10 minutes. And Shomu was very eager to go and watch the opening credits and all the advertisements, everything. But as they walked in and they saw near the counter, ticket counter, a small boy was standing. And that little boy seemed to be in trouble. And he told the staff that I'm not able to find my parents. I have lost my phone. Please help me. And everybody was so busy, nobody was attending to this young boy. So Soumya immediately goes to him and tells, don't worry, come with me. We will go to the theatre manager's office and find out your place. We will put out an announcement. Don't worry, come with me. So she takes his hand and goes to takes Shomu also and walks to the theatre manager's room. While going, Shomu, of course, is unhappy. He started the sister, Akka, we are going to miss the start of the movie. We will miss all the advertisements and trailers. And he was a little bit unhappy. So we looked at him and just said one statement. Shomu, you never know how important a glass of milk might be. So he's confused. What is Akka talking about? Glass of milk? What is this glass of milk? What are you talking about, Didi? What is this glass of milk? So she says, wait, I will tell you a story of a glass of milk. The story goes like this. So the sister is telling to her younger brother. There was a little boy who was very, okay. So this boy had to do small jobs, for his food and for paying the school fees. Morning before school and evening after school, he used to go and, cut someone's lawn or do some work in someone's house and earn money for his food and for school. One day, he did not have any money. There was no job with him that day. So he goes to, he says, while going back, he's so hungry. So he says, on the way, there's a house. Let me go and ask that lady for a glass of water. So he goes in, he knocks the door, and a young girl opened the door. And he tells her, ma'am, can I have a glass of water? So she looks at him. She sees tired young boy, and she couldn't guess that he is hungry, So she saw his condition and understood how hungry he was. She went in, and instead of a glass of water, she poured a tall glass of milk, a full glass of milk. And she got it to this young boy and gave it to drink. He says, no, ma'am, I don't have any money. He's a very honest, hardworking boy. I cannot pay. She says, no problem. Okay, just drink the milk. I don't need the money. The boy drank the glass of milk and felt better. Milk is a complete food. So it really satisfies your hunger if you have a long glass of milk, tall glass of milk. He drinks it, he feels better, and he can go to sleep at night. This is over. Now, many years went by. This young boy, this hardworking boy, no doubt he did well in life. He did very well. He went in life, and one day, this girl has become an old woman, and she had become ill. She had become a woman, and she was in the hospital, lying on the hospital bed, and a lot of tests were done on her. And they said that there's some sickness she has. She has to be in the hospital for a month, and a lot of tests and medication has to be given to this woman. So a Dr. Philip was assigned to her case. He used to look after her and really took great care of this woman. He visited her daily and stayed behind her, checked her on the nights and saw that she's doing well. Okay, 6 months she was in the hospital with an intensive treatment and she was treated. She was healthy. But the moment she became healthy, what happened? She was worried. You can guess why she was worried? 6 months in a hospital, she has to pay the bills for the money, for the treatment and everything. It is time for me to pay, but I don't have so much money to pay for 6 months. The nurse says, don't worry, ma'am. The bill has already been paid. Everything is taken care of. We'll just release you and you can go home. She's surprised when she sees the bill and she sees It's signed by Dr. Philip, and what does it say? It says, paid in full years ago with a glass of milk. That means this Dr. Philip was that young boy who came hungry to her doorstep, and with kindness she gave him a glass of milk. Today, that young boy is a doctor, and he recognized this lady, and he completely took care of her treatment, gave all the money, and said a glass of milk was enough. You have repaid for all the money. So the elder sister turns to her brother and says, you never know how one good deed can turn into another good one. See, the aim of doing good things is not that somebody will do something good for us. But when we do good and the good deed is going out into the universe, it is a cycle. That good deed gives rise to another good deed, to some other person also it may be. It cannot come back to you. But it is always a small kick, a chain reaction. It starts off with a good deed done by you. Only then the whole society, everybody will do good things. So Shomu stood and he said, oh yes, a glass of milk, a small, we should never hesitate to help anybody. Okay, so quiz time. Can you give a new title to the story? Anybody raise your hand? I give the title, Glass of Milk. You give me a title. Sudha ma'am, we have time for the title, the questions, 4 questions. Yes.
Ma'am, kindness.
Kindness, very good. Anybody else?
What goes around comes around.
Very nice. One good deed or what goes around comes around. Excellent. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
I didn't hear you.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, behavior.
Behavior, practice good behavior. Very good. Second question. Why did Dr. Philip look after the lady and pay all her bills? Who will answer? Raise your hand.
Because she was kind to give a glass of milk.
Who is this? Who is talking? I can't see you. What's your name?
Mummy, Grahit.
Grahit. Yeah, Grahit. Very good. Because when he was a young boy and he needed it, she did the kind act of giving him a glass of milk. So he remembered that till now. See, that small act has impacted him so much. It is there in his mind. Have you done any act of kindness recently? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am, I did like that.
Ah, yes. What did you do? Grahit, what did you do?
Ma'am, actually, while at my old apartment, I used to stay in my home. Yeah, while no water was there, I went to the another flat number and I asked for water like that.
You asked for water. Have you given anybody water? Have you done anything kind act?
Yes.
Have you done something nice? And you think an answer, great. I'll ask someone else. Think an answer. Anybody else?
Amma, I helped giving the apple to a monkey.
You gave an apple to a monkey. You're a very brave girl. Huh? Yes, good. Anybody else? Be careful while giving apple to monkeys. Anybody
Can
else?
I say Samrita?
Yes, Amrita.
One day in the ashram, one monkey came to me and it was trying to steal my apple from the ashram mandir. Then I did not give it because I was so brave to steal it back.
We are scared of those monkeys. Right. I agree. But you are like person. Anybody else? Yes, Manishri.
Mama, I wasn't in Mysore. I went for
Where you went?
Can I speak up?
Wait, Manishri will tell us.
Mom, I went for temple, but there is the monkey. I was drinking one juice, monkey still the juice.
Yeah, in Mysore I have also seen monkeys. Anybody else? Akshobhya, you wanted to answer?
I gave dog a biscuit packet.
Good. You gave dog a biscuit. Very nice. Okay, what did Shomu learn from his sister's story? Last question, one answer. One person will get a
Naresh
chance.
wants to answer.
About
Naresh.
kindness, ma'am, about kindness.
Yeah. What did he learn about
Vahid, I
kindness?
think you answered quite a few questions. We will let
Anybody?
others answer.
Naresh, you answer.
Amma helping others.
Very good. Helping others. Naresh, unmute yourself, Naresh.
Naresh is actually his name is Srihan. Hema.
Sorry.
Okay. Shrihan, unmute yourself. He's telling something, but we can't hear because he's muted. Okay, no problem. We will get a hang of it. Anybody else? Yes.
Ma'am, Manushri.
Manushri.
We should be strong.
We should be kind, strong, definitely. From this story, we
Mama, can I see the answer?
yes.
Ma, we should not be blunt.
Okay, from this story, very nice. Good values.
Kids hunt.
Yes, yes, tell me,
Srihan.
I'm about kids hunt, right?
Pardon?
About kids hunt, right?
Yes, this is from Kids Hunt. Yeah, that's the side the story is there. You're very right. But what did you learn from this story? What did this small boy learn?
My father said something like God.
Okay, it looks like God to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, Vedant. Vedant.
Spread kindness.
How to spread? Excellent. That is the answer I was looking for. How we can spread kindness. Small acts of kindness can go around. Very good. A big round of applause to all of you. You all answered very well. Good. We can go
Okay,
ahead and...
I forgot to introduce two more newcomers. One is Vedant's sister, Lakshmi Pranavi. She attended the camp also. She has joined the class today. And Nitika's sister, Netra. Welcome to both of you, Netra and Lakshmi Pranavi. Okay, and Srihan, from next time, you should display your name, okay, not father's name, okay? Okay, now I think Lakshmi Mami will do the slokas.
Yeah. So all newcomers, juniors, welcome. We all will learn new slokas every day, every class, okay? Now we will start from the new students. So first, Lakshmi Pranavi will repeat after me. Okay, Lakshmi? Pranavi, are you ready?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah. Om Vakratunda Mahakaya.
Om Vakratunda Mahakaya.
Surya Koti Samaprabha.
Surya Koti Samaprabha.
Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva.
Nirvigyam Guru Me Deva.
Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Thank you. Who is sitting nearby?
My cousin.
Your friend?
No, ma'am, cousin.
Cousin. What is his name?
Anirudh, ma'am.
Anirudh. Anirudh. Huh? So you are also joining every week?
Yes,
okay. Then you can repeat after me next sloka. Okay? Saraswati Namastubhyam.
Saraswati Namastubhyam.
Varade Kamarupini.
Varade Kamarupini.
Vidyarambam Karishyami.
Vidyarambam Karishyami.
Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada.
Siddhit Bhavatu Me Sada.
Thank you. So Anirudh, Sudha can join, add Anirudh also.
We can now we can ask Ishan. Ishan is a newcomer.
Okay, Ishan. Are you ready to repeat after me, Ishan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnuhu.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu.
Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha.
Guru Devo Maheshwara.
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma.
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma.
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha.
Gurave. Gurave Namaha.
Gurave Namaha.
Thank you, Ishan. Next,
Now Srihan.
Shihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you repeat after me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first we have to see early morning prayers. You know, when we get up from the bed, we have to see this first prayer. Okay. Karagre vasate Lakshmi. Karagre
Karagre
vasate
Vasade
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi
Karamadhye
Karamadhye
Saraswati.
Saraswati
Karamuletu. Karamuletu Govindaha. Govindaha. Prabhate.
Prabhade
Karadarshanam.
Pradarsanam.
Once more we will repeat. When you get up, no, you have to look at your palm and say this sloka. Okay? Every day morning. Karagre
Karagre
Vasate
Vasade
Lakshmi
Lakshmi
Karamadhye
Karamadhye
Saraswati
Saraswati
Karamuletu
Karamuletu
Govindaha
Govindaha
Prabhate
Prabhade
Karadarshanam.
Karadarshanam.
Thank you, Ishan. Next is Netra.
Netra, yes. Netra, Nirupa's sister.
Yeah. Next is when we step down in the earth, you know, when we get up and we put our feet on the floor. At that time, we have to say this prayer. Netra,
Yes.
you can repeat after me?
Yes.
Okay. Samudra
Samudra
Vasane
Vasate
Devi
Devi
Parvata
Parvata
Tana
Tana
Mandale
Mandale
Vishnu Patni
Vishnupat
Patni
Patni
Namastubhyam
Namastubhyam.
Namastubhyam
Padasparsham
Padasparsham.
Sparsham
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 Shamaswame Shama
Shama
Swame.
Me
You don't shake yourself. Sit properly, okay? And listen carefully. Samudra
Samudra
Vasane
Vasati
Vasane
Vasane
Devi
Devi
Parvata
Parvata
Stana
Tana
Mandale
Mandale
Vishnu Patni
Vishnupatni
Namastubhyam
Namastubhyam
Padasparsham
Adasvasham
Shamaswame.
Namasme.
Thank you, Netra. By chanting again and again, you will understand. Okay. Now, next, anybody, new student?
New students are over now.
Over. So now next we can go to old students. Now, Samvrida, you can repeat. Samvrida.
Unmute, Samrita.
Okay, Amma, I can repeat.
Yeah.
After her, can I do?
This is lighting. Okay. Afterwards you can do. Okay, Junior Veda. Now this is for lighting the lamp. When you light the lamp, this shloka. Shubham karoti kalyanam.
Shubham karoti kalyanam.
Arogyam.
Arogyam.
Dhana sampada.
Dhana sampada.
Shatru buddhi.
Shatru buddhi.
Vinashaya.
Vinashaya.
Deepa jyotir.
Deepa jyoti.
Namostute.
Namostute.
Once more.
Sumrita, look
Shubham
forward and
karoti kalyanam.
Shubham karoti kalyanam.
Samvrita, you sit straight. I can see only your head, not face. Now I can see your face. Arogyam dhana sampada.
Arogyam dhana sampada.
Shatru buddhi vinashaya.
Shatru buddhi vinashaya.
Deepa jyotir namostute.
Deepa jyoti namostute.
Thank you, Samvrita. Next, Junior Vedant. Ready?
Yes, Mama.
Yeah. This is while taking bath. Okay. Gange cha yamune chaiva.
Gange cha. Amma, can you repeat it?
Gange cha
Gange cha.
yamune chaiva.
Chaineva.
Yamune chaiva.
Namu chaineva.
You speak loudly. I am not able to hear you what you are pronouncing. Pronounce correctly. Yamune
Yamune.
chaiva.
Chaiva.
Godavari.
Godavari.
Saraswati.
Saraswati.
Narmade.
Narmade.
Sindhu.
Sindhu.
Kaveri.
Kaveri.
Jalesmin.
Jalesmin.
Sannidhim.
Sammithin.
Guru.
Guru.
We'll repeat again. Gange cha.
Gange cha.
Yamune chaiva.
Chaina.
Yamune
Yamune.
chaiva.
Chaiva.
Godavari.
Godavari.
Saraswati.
Saraswati.
Narmade Sindhu.
Narmade Sindhu.
Kaveri.
Kaveri.
Jalesmin.
Jalesmin.
Sannidhim Kuru.
Sannidhim Kuru.
Very good. Thank you. Now, Manushri, you can repeat. How much time is left, Sudha?
Ma'am,
5 minutes.
after Manush.
Grahit. After Manushri, Grahit.
4
Okay.
more minutes are there.
Okay, okay.
Lakshmi Mami,
Now-
I'm displaying the shlokas.
Yeah.
So which one do you want to do now?
Now it is actually Shuklam Bradaram next coming.
Okay. Kritunda.
Actually, I don't think the children will be able to see Amma. The letters are very small.
Okay.
So by hearing itself, they can repeat, I think.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Manushri. Are you ready, Manushri? Otherwise, Grahit will repeat.
I'm ready, Amma.
Grahit is ready. Okay. Manushri is not available, so Grahit will be repeating. Shuklam Baradaram.
Shuklam Baradaram.
Vishnum.
Vishnum.
Shashivarnam.
Shashivarnam.
Chaturbhujam.
Chaturbhujam.
Prasannavadanam.
Amma, can you repeat?
Prasanna
Prasanna
Vadanam.
Vadanam.
Dhyayet.
Vyayet.
Sarva
Sarva
Vignopa
Vignopa
Shantaye.
Shantaye.
Once more we will repeat. Shuklambaradaram.
Shuklambaradaram.
Vishnum.
Vishnum.
Shashivarnam.
Shashivarnam.
Chaturbhujam.
Chaturbhujam.
Prasanavadanam.
Prasanavadanam.
Dhyayet.
Shayed.
Dhyayet.
Jayet.
Sarva Vignopa.
Sarva Vignopa.
Shantaye.
Shantaye.
Very good, Grahit. Now anybody else who wants to
Amma, can I
repeat?
tell Vinisha?
Okay, Vinisha. Vinisha is also junior member. Okay, very good. I think all small slokas are over. Again, we can repeat the same thing, Amma.
Yes.
Amma?
Let's
Ah.
repeat the thing.
Amma, shall I repeat? Manishri.
Yeah. Manushri. Manushri is there. Okay. Manushri, again, we will repeat from starting. Vakratunda Mahakaya.
Vakratunda Mahakaya.
Surya Koti.
Suryakoti.
Samaprabha.
Samarpabha.
Nirvignam.
Nirvignam.
Kuru me deva.
Guru me deva.
Sarvakaryeshu.
Sarvakaleshu.
Sarvada.
Sarvada.
Once more. Vakratunda Mahakaya.
Vakrakunda Mahakaya.
This tunda. Vakratunda
Vakratunda
Mahakaya.
Mahakaya.
Surya Koti.
Suryakoti.
Samaprabha.
Samatpabha.
Nirvignam.
Nirvignam.
Kuru me deva.
Guru me deva.
Sarvakaryeshu.
Sarvakaleshu.
Karyeshu.
Kareshu.
Sarvada.
Sarvada.
Very good, Manushi. Your pronunciation has become very clear now. Earlier, you are not able to pronounce properly. Now it is very nicely you are pronouncing. Thank you, Manushi.
Thank
Okay,
you,
next.
madam.
Anybody else?
Amma, can I do
Vinisha.
Yeah,
We'll
Vinisha.
start with Vinisha. Vinisha wanted to say.
Vinisha last. Okay. Saraswati.
Saraswati.
Namastubhyam.
Namastubhyam.
Varade.
Varade.
Kamarupini.
Kamarupini.
Vidyarambam.
Vidyarambam.
Karishyami.
Karishyami.
Siddhirbhavatu.
Siddhirbhavatu.
Me sada.
Me sada.
Once more. Saraswati.
Saraswati.
Namastubhyam.
Namastubhyam.
Varade.
Varade.
Kamarupini.
Kamarupini.
Vidyarambam.
Vidyarambam.
Karishyami.
Karishyami.
Siddhirbhavatu.
Siddhirbhavatu.
Me sada.
Me sada.
Thank you, Vinisha. Very nicely you have pronounced.
Myself.
Time is there.
Time is over. Next week we will see.
Akshobhya. Next week we will start with Akshobhya. Okay?
Okay.
Akshobhya?
We can close.
Yeah. Amma, you want to say something or shall we close?
We will close.
Dhanyavadaha.
Okay. Okay,
No.
thank you, children.
Closing
So,
prayers.
I hope, yeah, closing prayers we will do. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you,
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
everybody.